Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about how we can create reels for Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. So in last video we have discussed how to create Facebook post from scratch or template base. So in this video we'll discuss how we can create reel from template base and from scratching. So creation of the reels is the normal part. So just have to click here and search for the reels. Basically don't search for the reel, search for industry. Suppose if you are in hotel industry, then type it hotel. If you are in related to the flight, so type for the flight industry. So according to your industry you can select it here. So I am searching for the digital marketing. Once I will done search with my digital marketing, I will see lot of the Canva templates is there. So just try to click on the see all. Once you will click on the see all, you will see the filter option, that is the all filter. So click on the all filter. In the social media you have to select the Insta Reels. From here just select the Instagram Reel option, click on the apply. So you will see lot of option here that is related to Instagram Reels. You can see here. So you have to select the reels, which reels you want to use for your social media page, that you can use here. Now suppose I want to use this reel, so just have to click on this, click on open link in incognito tabs. Once the reel creation is from the template base, so just click on the customize this template. Once you will click on the customize this template, this is the brand name that is currently added here. So just you have to delete it and you can just add your logo, otherwise you can mention your brand's name here. You can just mention your brand name. You can change the color, you can change the font family, you can decrease the size, you can increase the sign, center, left, all the action you can perform from here. Now you can increase this size also via this, otherwise via this particular plus minus. So in this way you can create the template based reel. So this is the simplest process. You can also select, suppose I want to creation the reel of this, so just click on this and click on the customize this template. Once you will click on the customize this template, the template will be reflected here. So ready to take your business, you can add the text, any text that you want to add here. So there will be multiple slides, as you can see here. The first slide, the second slide, the third slide, the fourth, 5, 6, multiple slides are there that you can see one below one. So we have the 6th slide and you can see the duration of this particular video is 12.5 seconds. So how the duration is calculated? When you click on the first slide, you will see the first 0.5 second. This particular first page number 1 will be displayed for the 1.5 second. The second page will be displayed for how much time? 1.5 second. The third slide will see 1.5. The fourth is 1.5, 1.5, 5.0. So page number 1 to page number 5 will be displayed by 1.5 second, and the page number 6 will be displayed 5.0 second. So on the basis of that, this particular time is calculated 0.12 second, and we can download this particular video for our social media that we can upload there. Now, and this you can also see, suppose if you want to make it 15 seconds, so how you can do it? Just click on that, click on the timer positions. Once you will click on the timing position, just increase the timing. Suppose I want to make it 5 seconds, so make it 5. Now okay, just make it 5, just a minute, 5 seconds. Once you're done with the 5 seconds, click outside. You can see that we have increased 3.5 seconds, so it will be to 16 seconds. So now the length of the video is the 16 seconds. So in this way we can create the reel and we can download this particular reels. Just you have to click on the share. Once you will click on the share, click on the download. In term of the download, you have to select the MP4 video, select the MP4 video and click on the download. So this will be downloaded. There will be multiple options also, like JPG, PDF, If you want to download it JPG, so that can be downloaded into JPG. Like I want to download the first page in JPG, so you can also download in the JPG. You can see that once this download process has been finished, like this particular video download process has been finished, so you can watch the video how it look like. So this is the video that we have created. In the same way, the second creative that we have downloaded as an image, it will look like this is normal image. Okay, so this is the part that we have discussed, like how we can create the custom based reels for the social media. And another way, you can also create the reels as from scratch. So just have to click on home and you will see option Instagram reel. Click on this. So in the same dimension of the post, like just you have to click on the text, you have to add heading like learn digital marketing. So in this way, in this first slide, we have to written learn digital marketing at 999 rupees. So this is the first slide. And so we are creating the second slide. Just we can click on the plus item. So this has been plus, delete page. So now otherwise we can also duplicate the first slide. So duplicating the first slide, just right click on this and click on the duplicate page. So this is the second page. Here you can make the background, change the background color, black, blue, green, white, any color you can change here. Okay, and here you can change the text here. Just see, now learn digital marketing just at 94. Contact us at. We have mentioned here contact us at. Now we are creating the third slide, and that we can provide the contact information. So right click on this and duplicate page. So the background color we can change here. This kind of the background color that we can add. You can, the first one is the solid color, only one color will be there. This is the gradient color, the combination of the color will be there in the gradient. So that you can choose according to your interest. So here you can add the contact number. You can decrease the font size according to your requirement. So in this way, firstly you have to research on the templates, like which type of the templates you want to pick, and on the basis of the template you start creation of the video. So you can see that currently our reel is 15 seconds. Here you can see that the 15-second duration is there. So you can also reduce, like you can just drag and drop. You can say the timing is also changing, 3.3, 2.2, 2.4. The timing is changing. Now the video is 12.1. So you can change the second slide timing also. Okay. So in this way, you can make the reel from scratch and template basis. So download process is same. Just click on the share, download, and you can download the video from there. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So in the same way, we can create the creative for Facebook ads. We can create the creative for normal Instagram post or Instagram reels. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.